सच बताना, कितनी बार आपको आंसर पता था पर आप चुप रहे, सिर्फ इसीलिए क्योंकि इंग्लिश परफेक्ट नहीं थी। इंडिया में टैलेंट की कमी नहीं है, कॉन्फिडेंस की कमी है। एक लैंग्वेज ने कितने ही लोगों को उनके सपनों से दूर कर दिया है, पर आज ये डर खत्म होगा। लेट मी आस्क यू समथिंग। Have you ever stayed quiet in a room? Have you ever avoided speaking because you were scared that somebody would laugh at your English? If yes, this video is for you. In India, English is just not a language. It's confidence, it's opportunity, it's respect. It's sometimes even matter of survival. You may be brilliant, you may be hardworking, you may have the required knowledge, but the moment you hesitate in English, people assume that you're less capable, and that hurts. I'm sure most of you would agree with me, right? You start doubting yourself. You think my English is weak. I studied in a Hindi language or Hindi medium or some other medium, local language, right? Others are naturally fluent. Maybe English is not my cup of tea. Let me tell you something. English is not intelligence. English is just a skill, and skills can be learned. Corporate professionals who were scared to introduce themselves in English, not because they did not know the words, but because they were afraid of judgment. They were afraid that people would, judge them, laugh about their English. We grew up translating from Hindi to English, Marathi to English, Telugu to English, Tamil to English, right? Gujarati to English. But the time we speak, confidence is gone, and then someone laughs. One laugh can silence a person for years. It demotivates you. It breaks that person forever, and it takes a lot of years to come out of that fear. But here's the thing, and listen to me very carefully. The people who laugh, they were once beginners too. They started from scratch. The only thing is the mindset shift, right? They continue talking in English. So if you get afraid and you stop talking, that is not the solution. To come out of your fear, you have to face your fear. So it doesn't matter if you're speaking incorrect English, you still have to speak. Whenever you get a chance to speak, speak. Make mistakes, that's okay. But speak. Fluency is not about accent. It's not about big fancy vocabulary. It's not about speaking fast. Fluency is comfort. How comfortably you can speak the language. And comfort comes from practice, not perfection. So you don't need to speak perfect English. You need to speak brave English. You need to be brave to at least speak. Speak broken English today. And speaking broken English today is better than the silent that you're going to regret tomorrow. Start small. One sentence a day. I'm not asking you much. One sentence, just one sentence a day, right? Think in English, for 5 minutes daily. Talk to yourself if there is no one to support you, right? Don't wait to be ready. If you're just waiting to be ready, you'll never be ready. Start messy. It's fine. Start scared. Start imperfect. But start. You will introduce yourself confidently. One day that is going to happen. Okay? And one day you will attend interview without fear. You will speak in meetings without hesitation. And you will remember this phase. But all you have to do is start talking. Now, remember this: your background does not decide your future. Your medium of education does not define your destiny, right? If you can learn math, if you can learn driving, you can learn English too. Why can't you learn English? You can become an engineer, you can become a doctor, you can become corporate professionals, you can become, IT or technician. But why not learn English, right? You can learn English not because you need a validation, but because you deserve opportunities. And I promise you, the day you stop being afraid of making mistakes, that's the day your English starts improving. If you're committed to improving your English, comment below. I will speak without fear and I will reply to you personally. If you want me to make videos specifically on a topic, I will. Let's grow together, one sentence at a time. If you liked this video, if you think it was helpful, please go ahead and subscribe, comment, share with your friends and family. And you were watching Speak Fluent English with Rajesh. I'm Rajesh and I will see you in the next video. Till then, ciao.